Respect a woman who wants your attention more than your money. It's not all the women they want money in relationships. Other women they don't care about your money, they care about the attention and the love only. So you have to take care of that person because nowadays it's difficult to find a woman who wants attention, who doesn't ask you money. Since you have dated that woman, she doesn't ask you anything, money or to go out. She wants only to spend time with you. So you have to respect the kind of woman like that. Men, I don't understand what they want. If they find a woman who wants attention, who doesn't ask money, he is not much in love with that woman. Sometimes it can happen, guys, when you are in relationship with a woman who have got everything. Other women are independent nowadays. They have got their money, they are educated. So other women, they don't care about money. To be in a relationship is not about money only to women. Other women are very independent, especially women who are working in other countries, in UK, America. They don't care about the money. You know that those women, guys, they can take men from Africa and go to with them to their countries and live with them because they love those men. Guys, it's not about relationship, it's money. Sometimes you can have money, everything, but you don't have a man who loves you, a man who gives you attention. So you have to respect the kind of woman who doesn't care about your money. Other women, guys, they, even you have got your salary, they don't ask you how much you get paid at your work because she knows that she is earning a lot of money than you. Only she want only is attention, your attention, you give your love only. You are very lucky because other men, they have got stress out there. Yes, woman, he is always demanding. That woman, she is always demanding every time, baby, I need money, baby, I need something. Every day his woman is demanding. But you are very lucky, you have got a woman who doesn't demand anything to you. She only wants attention and the love only. You are very lucky to have the kind of person because nowadays, especially Ama 2000, they want money. But when you have got the kind of person, especially a young woman who doesn't ask you money, you are very lucky. You have to take care of that woman to give her the full attention she wants sometimes. Because, guys, it's not about love, it's money only. Sometimes you can have money, everything, but you can feel with that you don't have a partner to talk to.